Hi and welcome to this video where we'll take you through the basics of connecting your Amazon Echo to the Louvolite Home Hub. Firstly, open the menu in your Alexa app. Then click on Skills and Games and search. And we're going to search for Neo Smart Blinds. Then we'll go at download the skill and click enable to use. You need to add your email and password for your Neo Smart Blinds app. Once you've added your email and password, click allow. Once the accounts are linked, you can return to your home page. If you check on your devices linked to the account should show here. If we go on to switches, we'll have an on and off button which will allow us to control the blinds. We'd click on for open, and off for closed. You can further enhance the experience by going to the menu, click onto routines, click onto create a routine, click onto when this happens, we want to add voice and we want to say close blinds. Click on the next, and now we need to add an action. So we'll click on add action, click onto smart home, click onto control group, click onto showroom. And to close the blinds, we'll turn it off. Click onto next and click onto save. We've now created a routine where when we say Alexa close blinds, the blinds will close. We can add another routine by clicking on the plus in the top right corner. Click on the what happens next, voice, and open blinds. Click on next, click on the action, smart homes, devices, showroom, and we want that to be on. So next and save. Now when we say Alexa open blinds, the blinds will open. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you need any more information, please contact Louvolite One Touch Support.